Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 20th of October 2022 and the topic for the today's video is Lambda expression in Java. So this is my first or original video in this particular topic. So first we will see what is Lambda expression. So the Lambda expression is a new and important feature of Java which was included in Java SC8. It provides a clear and concise way to represent one method interface using an expression. So it is very useful in collection library. It helps to iterate, filter and extract data from collection. The lambda expression is used to provide the implementation of an interface which has functional interface. So it saves a lot of code. In case of lambda expression, we don't need to define the method again for providing the implementation. Here we just write the implementation code. So the Java lambda expression is treated as a function, so compiler does not create a dot class file. Now we will see the functional interface. So the lambda expression provides implementation of functional interface. An interface which has only one abstract method is called functional interface. So the Java provides an annotation at functional interface which is used to declare an interface as a functional interface. Now we will see why use a lambda expression. So there are the 2 points. First is to provide the implementation of functional interface, and the second is less coding. Now we will see the syntax of Java lambda expression. So the first is in parenthesis bracket argument list, then token arrow, and in curly braces body. So the Java lambda expression is considered of three components: argument list, token arrow, and body. So the first is argument list. So it can be empty or non-empty as well. Then the next is arrow token. So it is used to link argument list and body of expression. And third is body. So it contains expressions and statement for lambda expression. Now we will see the syntax of no parameter. So the syntax for the no parameter lambda expression is in parenthesis bracket, it is empty, then token arrow, and curly braces. So body of no parameter lambda. Then the next is one parameter syntax of lambda expression. So in that, in argument list there is one parameter, then token arrow, and then the curly braces. So this is the body of single parameter lambda expression. Then the two parameter syntax. So the in that there are, in argument list there are two parameters, then token arrow, and then curly braces. Now the body of lambda expression can contain 0, 1 or more statement. When there is a single statement, curly brackets are not mandatory, and the return type of the anonymous function is the same as that of the body expression. But when there are more than one statement, then this must be enclosed in curly bracket as a code block, and then the return type of the anonymous function is the same as the type of the value written within the code block or void if nothing is written. So this is all about the lambda expression in Java. Thank you.